Castro, aka Tookie, also known as that. Castro, got many names. This is my bike check. Some light, some real street. This is basically all I ride. Something nice. Got the Aiken frame, S3. Thanks to Ralph. Ralph hooked me up with this bike. My bike got stolen a while ago from the cops. Bitch ass cops. I'm not talking about that. Anyway, got some. Let's start with the cranks. Diamondbacks. Yeah, Diamondbacks. Sprocket right here. See this shit right here? Biz House. Some old school shit. 32 sprocket. 9-tube driver. Got Odyssey hazard light rims. Got the Primo cassette driver. The driver is right here, 9-tube. These are S&M 101 pedals. Shadow chain, which is kind of broken right now. I got, this is an animal seat post. Same thing. Man, this whole animal, the whole seat is just animal. That's it. That's all you need to know. You already know what that is. You already know. Niggas ride BMX, you know. That's it. This is fit fucking stem. Gave it to me by Muff. Free. Hooked me up. Got some grandstand bars, kind of fucking bent in right there. Looks good, it's alright. Got these ODI grips. One metal bar and animal. The other metal bar and I lost. I don't know where it's at, so I'm just asked out, I guess. Odyssey fork. This is dirt fork. This is 14mm. This is the Odyssey hub. This is the Odyssey hub, yeah. Odyssey hub, 14mm too, I guess. Of course, it has to be compatible. And that's about it, man. Odyssey Aiken tire, the front, and this is the animal tire right here in the back, man. It's my bike. That's my bike right there. Usually I have brakes, but my brake mounts right now are bent. I'm thinking probably get a new brake, put the brakes back on. But for right now, just chilling right now. Winter, holla.
I go hard in the motherfucking paint, nigga. Leave you stankin', nigga. What the fuck you thinking, DJ? I won't die for this shit.